In this lecture, we are going to go over what's covered and what's not covered. The objective of this course is to provide you with the information and application necessary to get you started losing weight and keeping it off. So we'll be covering what is the ketogenic diet and nutritional ketosis, how do you know you're in ketosis or keto adapted, supplementation, what supplements I take, intermittent fasting, foods to eat, foods to avoid, how I stick to the ketogenic diet while eating at a restaurant or traveling, what exercises to do and what not to do, how to get started, an action plan for success. Then we'll go over some frequently asked questions. We will not be covering a deep dive into the science and theory behind the diet. It does not cover the ketogenic diet for epilepsy, cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, or autoimmune disorders. And we will not be debating different protocols. If you do not agree with the philosophy of the ketogenic diet, that's okay. Take the good from the course and leave the rest that doesn't fit into your belief system. And once you complete 100% of the course, I'd appreciate it if you would take the time to leave a positive review. If you are upset or misunderstood the goals of the course, please private message me and give me the opportunity to make it right before leaving a bad review. In the next section, we're going to roll up our sleeves and take a deep dive into the diet. See you in the next lecture, and thank you for your participation.